If you're wondering how to create your ChatGPT account in the easiest way possible, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead to your Google and then type in ChatGPT login. So you'll see this first thing that pops up, chat.openai.com. So click on that and then press on sign up because we're trying to sign up for ChatGPT. So there are different ways you can create your account. You can create using your email address. You can create by continuing with your Google account, with your Microsoft account, or with Apple. So for now, I'm just going to press continue with Google. You can choose the account that you want to continue to open your ChatGPT account. So I'm just going to click on this. So next it will ask you to type in your first name, your last name, and then your birthday. So go ahead and do that. And once you've set your birthday, click OK at the bottom right corner right here. Then go ahead and press continue. So you need to verify your phone number. So go ahead and type in your phone number. And once you've typed in your phone number, go ahead and press send code. So you'll receive a code on your phone. And go ahead and type in the code that you have just received. And that is how you can create your ChatGPT account in the easiest way possible.